Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to a new Nasdaq weekly report. It's Nasking here, and of course, you already know this is where you get a recap of Nasdaq analysis from last week and also what we should expect from the Nasdaq market this week and also throughout next week. So it's like a swing analysis from me. All right, so first of all, what do we talk about from the previous week? We talked about Nasdaq being in a bullish continuation, but if there is a rejection at 15,500, we are going to, you know, expect a retracement back down to around 14,900 mark, or if we find ourselves back down into the consolidation box. But the market didn't even reach that point. The market bought to at least 15,400 and then a massive bearish retracement down to almost 14,000 mark on the dot. So right now we're just going to quickly dive on the current Nasdaq chart and quickly do some analysis to see what we should expect from the Nasdaq market this week and a little bit of throughout of next week too. So if you're not following me on TradingView, make sure you go hit that follow button right now so that you can get my analysis first. And I would soon start to be very active there on the Telegram, on the TradingView channel, and also drop not just Nasdaq analysis but other forex chart analysis. All right, well. As for me, firstly, when you want to analyze a naked chart, what do you first do? You first try to identify your support, identify resistance, if any, and also check if you can find a trend. If it's a trending market, if you can actually pinpoint, even though if it's not the main trend, try to identify an inward trend line. Maybe it's bullish or it's bearish. In this case here, an inward bullish trend line just forming, rejecting from a massive main support. The support is extremely strong in the 4 hours time frame, as you can see when I have checked. So obviously I've seen retracement, I've seen candles retracement there, which I will not go into more details. I'm just doing a basic analysis, so I can already tell that the market is going to buy ferociously to 15,000 mark, and from 15,000 mark we should just wait for, maybe there's going to be a rejection at that point, because that point is like a mini resistance over there. So you should just wait at 15,000 mark. But if there's a break from like 4,900 to 15,000, then of course we are going to secure the remaining 200 points in our bag to 15,200 mark. So that's just what I think, because we've found an inward bullish trend line, rejection from support. These are just the major things, and as well the Nasdaq news market is bullish at the moment. Like the tech is really trying to recover from the recent losses. So basically, I just think the market is more likely to buy. We are going to see more high highs in the future of a little bit of this weekend, more of next week. So that's just basically what I think in the Nasdaq market. So if you have your own suggestions, opinions on the market, please let me know in the comments section, and also follow me up on TradingView, of course. So if you want to get more analysis like this, so I'll just quickly scrabble and just put up the test on this analysis. So make sure to watch to the end of the video so you get more tips and test field on the analysis, so that you can get more insights on what I'm trying to point out here. All right, so take note also of the inward trend line. So just make sure that I'm in the 15,000 mark, that mini resistance there. If there is a rejection, the market is very likely to just drop down to support. There'll be a massive bearish retracement down to support. So make sure there is a break, and then buy it all the way to 15,200 mark, which is already my sole. That's what I think the market is just gonna buy. There won't be a retracement, but do take note. The resistance is always powerful to change the market direction back down to support. So take note. Follow me up on TradingView if you haven't, and also if you're just watching this video for the first time, you might as well want to subscribe. Stick around to see more future analysis on Nasdaq and majorly just forex stuffs about forex trading. All right, so guys, stay tuned and I'll see you all in the next one.